Ooh, this lighting is not flattering. Where are we going, guys?
IKEA! Pew, pew, pew!
We're very excited. We have many things to buy, so I have nothing else to say. I'm not gonna post this because this lighting is fucking crazy.
Why?
Fun fact, I'm only wearing tinted moisturizer and powder.
And you look gorgeous.
It's a fucking vampire facial.
I'm not wearing any underwear, so...
I'm wearing
really not?
granny panties.
No, I am. I can't go freeballing because I just feel, I don't
Cass,
like
we're gonna need to use your car for a
the
bit.
creative.
Okay, go for it. These chairs actually go all the way back. Don't ask me how I know that.
Are you kidding me?
Because I locked myself out of the car, remember? You were there. What?
Oh.
So,
Remember we were taking photos and I locked ourselves out of the car?
and that's how you know that the seats go all the way back?
Yeah, I remember because we were trying to figure out how to get to the trunk and then...
Because the keys were in the trunk.
Yeah, and the seats went down, but we couldn't turn on the car. We opened up the door, so we tried to put the seats down to get to the trunk.
Yes, I
No,
do.
I remember going into your place, having to find your spare key, and then dropping it off to you.
Christian saved us. That's why I cannot live far away from them, because like, what would I...
Christian's the only rational one out of this group.
It ended up being him after out of all of us.
I just
little
pretend
baby.
to be the rational one, but I'm really...
I don't give up.
It's always, I'm always the sidebar observer, but I always have like the most calculated decision.
Here's the thing, Christian never tells us when what we're doing is gonna end badly. He just steps back and watches and he's like, I knew that was gonna happen.
No,
Yes.
I give a lot of warnings. I call almost everything out. No one listens, and then it's you were right. I did do this, and I was gonna do that, and I was like,
And
I
I
know.
did do that many a times.
You may be wondering, why is the water cup that Jason is drinking from now clear?
Why is this soda so diluted?
how dare you guys be drinking?
We're gonna be at IKEA for like hours, so at least 4 hours. So we're getting our party popping in the car.
Wait, we're spending 4 hours at IKEA?
Meatballs.
So this is only Cassandra's second time at IKEA, so we're gonna give her the full experience.
Yes, Cassandra, let me explain to you that arrows on the floor. It's a guided shopping experience.
They don't let you skip anything.
How big is this place?
3 floors of shopping
How many
experiences.
square feet?
Oh, I don't know all that much. Let's go.
I'm intimidated.
What are you doing?
I'm showering.
No, they don't. They're not working showers. I need a study like this.
I need you to get a study like this and for no reason come out of it and be like, I'm stressed. And then invite me in here and then bang me with the dust.
Bang you over the desk.
I mean, I like it. It's nice. Oh, thank fucking God.
I'm confused.
I'm just having flashbacks of 7th grade playing 7 minutes and half it.
That's absolutely not going to happen with me.
Oh,
That
no,
would be
no.
quite
We're children.
unsexual.
Lipstick.
I just finished getting a meatball platter. Wait, where's my meatball platter? There it is.
So we've been at IKEA for 2 hours, and this is still water. I'm disappointed. Everybody say hi.